So, good afternoon to everyone. So, this is the continuation of my report or my discussion about the emerging technologies in software engineering. So, for now, I will continue the explanation and I will explain to you the what is blockchains and the smart contracts. So first is what is blockchain? Ayan. So for everyone, blockchain is a shared or a mutable ledger that facilitate the process of the recording transactions and tracking assets in a business network. So it is a technology that uh, can in the form of immutable ledger which facilitate the process of recording either the uh, an asset can be a tangible, which is it can be a house, car, or cash, or land, or pwede po siyang intangible like the intellectual property, patents, copyrights, and also the branding. Virtually anything has the value can be tracked and traded on the blockchain network. So it reduces the risk and cutting costs for all involved in blockchain. So blockchain is important because we know that business runs in information on information. Yeah, right. So the faster information received and the more accurate it is, about the better. Yeah. So blockchain is ideal that information because for delivering the information because nagpo-provide ito ng immediate, shared, and observable information which is stored on immutable ledger that only permission network member can access. So blockchain network can track orders, payments, counts, production, and more. Yan. And because the members shared a single view of the truth, so you can see all the details of a transaction end to end, giving you a greater confidence and new efficiencies and opportunities. Yan. So this time, I will discuss first what is blockchain and next is the smart contracts. So next is the key elements. What are the key elements of blockchain? So there are three key elements of blockchain. First is distributed ledger technology. When we say this distributed ledger technology, all networks participant in the blockchain has had access to that distributed ledger, and it's immutable record of transaction. So with this shared ledger, so transactions are recorded only once, eliminating the duplication of effort of the uh, of member. Next elements are the immutable records, which is the records that assess that you can access in the blockchain. So in these records, no participant can change or tamper with a transaction after it's been recorded to shared ledger. Yan. Kapag ang transaction daw ay nagkaroon ng error, a new transaction must be added para ma-reverse yung error na yon, and then yung both transaction na yon, yung error and new transaction are visible pa din siya in blockchain. Next, the last element of the blockchain is the smart contracts. So to speed the transaction, the blockchain set a rules that are called smart contract. Yan. So itong smart contract na to is stored in a blockchain and run automatically. So smart contract defines the condition for corporate bond transfer, includes yung terms for travel insurance to be paid, and much more. So for the continuation, so I will discuss later on what is the more discussion about smart contracts. So how blockchain works. Ayan. So how the blockchain works. There are three steps in the working principle of the blockchain. So the first step is as when you open the transaction or the to be a member of the blockchain, you need the if the transaction occurs, it is recorded as a block of data. So those transactions shows the movement of an assets that can be tangible or intangible. So this data block can record information of your choice. So who, what, when, where, how much of the member of the blockchain. It can even record the condition such as the temperature of approved shipment. The next step is each block is connected to the ones before and after. So these blocks form a chain of data as an asset moves from place to place or ownership changes hand. Yan. So the blocks, itong blocks na to, siya nag-confirm ng exact time and sequence of transactions, and the blocks, siya din yung nag-link together to prevent any block from being altered or block being inserted between the two existing blocks. Yan. And the last is the transaction are blocked together in an irreversible chain, which is the blockchain. Yan. So each additional block strengthens the verification. Meron nagkakaroon sila ng verification to sa previous block and also sa inter-blockchain. So rendering the blockchain tampered evident, delivering the key strength of immutability, at nire-remove dito yung possibility of tampering na meron siyang malicious actor, at builds a ledger of transaction you and other network members that you can trust in blockchain. So yun. Yan. So what are the benefits of the blockchain? So meron tayong benefits of blockchain dito. So first benefits is greater trust. Yan. So with the blockchain, as a member of a blockchain, ang blockchain is a member of members only network. So rest assured ka na ikaw ay nagre-receive ng tamang accurate data at saka tamang data, timely data. And your confidential information in blockchain are shared only with the members in the networks. Yun. And greater security. So, itong blockchain, meron silang tinatawag na consensus on data accuracy, which is required na lahat ng network, member ng network, and all validated transactions are immutable because they recorded it permanently. So no one, not even a system administration, can delete this transaction. Yan. So ganun ka tindi ang security ng blockchain. And more efficiencies. Yan. So more efficiencies, ang ibig sabihin, time wasting reconciliation are eliminated in the blockchain. Next, meron tayong types of blockchain networks. We have 4 types of blockchain. Ano ba yung mga types ng blockchain na yun? So, the first type of blockchain is yung tinatawag nating public blockchain networks. So, itong public blockchain network, pwede ka dito, anyone can join and participate in. So, katulad ito class, example ito classmate, yung Bitcoin. So, kung naglalaro ka ng Bitcoin, ano siya? Public blockchain networks. So, meron nga lang siyang drawbacks since substantial computational power that is required, little or no privacy for transactions, and weak security itong blockchain na to. Yan. Secondly, is a private blockchain networks. Ano itong private blockchain network? Similar to sa public blockchain, pero it is decentralized peer-to-peer network. However, itong blockchain private, meron siyang isang organization na nag-govern dun sa network na yun. Siya nagko-control ng bawat participants. Siya yung nagko-control kung sino yung allowed na participants, mag-run ng consensus protocol, at mag-maintain ng mga shared ledger. So, depending sa use case, so this can be significantly boost trust and confidence between the participants. Yan. And also, this private blockchain can be run behind a corporate firewall and even hosted on a premises. So next is permission blockchain network. So business who set up the private blockchain will generally set up a permission blockchain network. So importante na note ng public blockchain na pwede din palang magkaroon ng permission in a public. Yan. So this place restriction who is allowed to participate in a network and what transactions. So participants needs to obtain an invitation or permission to join. Kaya nga siya tinatawag na permission blockchain networks. And last is yung consortium blockchain. Ano ba to? So meron tayong consortium. So multiple organizations can share the responsibilities of maintaining a blockchain. Yun yung consortium. So dito sa consortium, this pre-select organization determine who submit transaction or access the data. And consortium blockchain is ideal for business. Yan. So, ideal siya for business. Next is blockchain use cases. Saan ba ginagamit itong blockchain na to? Saan atin ito pwede makita itong blockchain na to? So, blockchain uses cases and application in industry. First, we can use blockchain in supply chain, healthcare, also in government, retail, media and advertising, oil and gas, telecommunication, manufacturing, insurance, financial services, traveling, and transportation. Ayan. So, yun yung doon ginagamit yung blockchain na sinasabi natin. Next ay let me discuss